Divine Collective, we're starting out with the Knight of Cups. In this reading, the Knight of Cups is a charmer. Divine Collective, a seducer, lover. You may receive a romantic inquiry from a person of interest. Divine Collective, okay? Someone is about to find out. What are they about to find out, Spirit? A lot of you recently, it's like, what is that called? I think it's called an SOS, right? An SOS when you're, say you're deserted on an island and you write in the sand big enough for a plane to see. Is that a SOS? For so many of you, you sent out some type of SOS to your spirit team, Divine Collective. And when you did that, it tripled your security. That's what I'm picking up on, okay? And that's what whoever this is about to find out, that your security has been tripled, your protection has been tripled, Divine Collective. Spirit says someone will do whatever it takes to not be under judgment of you, to not be under judgment of what they did to you, Divine Collective. You're getting victory and success here in this storyline. Spirit says your entire life, Divine Collective, I feel like so many of you feel like you never got the love or appreciation that you deserve from anyone. Not just some one person in specific, but I feel like there's been so many people that you've poured into, that you've given so much of yourself to, Divine Collective, and it was never reciprocated. That's what I'm picking up on in this storyline. I do have someone here who wants to come in and expose their feelings to you. Expose their feelings to you. Yeah. Whoever this is, Divine Collective, what you need to know is that they have options, right? Here's the thing. This person is sneaking around that wants to expose their feelings for you. They're in other relationships or situationships, however you want to look at this, okay? They're sneaking around, still partially waiting on you, but they're blocked, okay? They're not happy. They're miserable, Spirit is telling me. In some situations, someone has gotten a karmic energy pregnant, Divine Collective, okay? Emergency situation, what goes around comes around. This person is forbidden from your energy, Divine Collective. Forbidden. Forbidden. I keep hearing that over and over again. Spirit says that harvest time is right around the corner. Someone's not going to be allowed to see their child after speaking about this karmic pregnancy. Ooh. This karmic is not going to make it easy on this person. I heard he's not allowed to see his child. Situationship here. Did I not just say situationship, relationship, whatever you want to call it, Divine Collective? This is a situationship for sure here. Okay, so let me guess. Let me just guess, okay? Because this is how karmics work, Divine Collective, all right? Because this masculine does not want to be in this karmic relationship no more. This karmic is going to use the child to attack this masculine, to break down this masculine. Here's the thing. I'm getting this energy of rage, of anger. I don't think that this karmic quite realizes who she's playing with when it comes to this masculine. This masculine is dark, and I don't feel like this is the type of masculine that's going to play when it comes to his kids. Okay? This doesn't feel good. This does not look good. Okay? Spirit said, whoever this karmic is, they're not going to allow this masculine. This is part of their game, part of the karmic game, Divine Collective, to make, in some situations, good masculines look like deadbeats, or you could be a mother where the male is doing that to you. Place the pieces where they fit, Divine Collective. Meanwhile, you have generational wealth here, Divine Collective, but these people in your past, they're going through it. Well, Spirit said, hold on a second, because a lot of them are choosing to be stuck. They need to go through it, is what Spirit is saying. They need to go through it and get through it. I said it right. But a lot of these karmic energies feel like they're out of options, as if they're stuck. That's an illusion. You are not stuck. Okay? There's an energy here that's going to try to confuse you, Divine Collective. I picked up on that in the last reading. They're going to try to confuse you. They're going to try to make you believe that they're not talking to anybody else, that, they've changed, they've healed, they're divine. The only reason they know these type of words, maybe they're going to hit you with divine, generational wealth, angels, demons, they're going to speak spiritual to you here, Divine Collective. The only reason they know what it is that they know is because they're watching you. They're mirroring you. They're mimicking your divinity, divine collective. So yeah, they might pop up and blow your mind because they know this and they know that, and you're like, wait, you have grown. No, they're just watching you. And yeah, they're growing through you, but they're not doing the work. Okay, they're mimicking you, divine collective. Now you have someone all up in their head thinking that they should have never, ever, ever went up against you. Okay, instead of being your enemy, this person is thinking that they should have been an ally. It's too late for that, but that's what they're thinking. There's a lot going on up there, divine collective, okay? Yeah, this is not looking good for the karmics, divine collective. That is what the card says. That is what I feel. It is not looking good for these karmic energies. Yeah, you need to forgive, baby. You need to heal. So do they, divine collective. This is all about forgiveness and healing. Okay? I'm going to end on this note, divine collective. A lot of these energies are going to prison, okay? Spirit needs you to not procrastinate, divine collective. Remove the spirit of procrastination here. Whoever this is that's planning an action towards the Empress here, I'm getting death to their livelihoods. Someone here is still strategizing on how to come towards the Empress, divine collective. But this is going to be an instantaneous death to this person's livelihood. This is what Spirit is telling me. Because whatever they're planning on doing, the actions they're planning on taking are not good towards the Empress, okay? Whoever this is, they're mocking you and your spirituality. Spirit says now they're shook. Now they're shook that you know what it is that they're planning, divine collective. Temptation is very big in this reading. Someone is definitely going to try to confuse you. Someone from your past that wants to get back into your energy. Temptation is calling, offering vices that are hard to ignore. But divine collective, there are long-term consequences here, okay? Weigh your pros, weigh your cons, divine collective. Remember, temptation is calling. I've already told you that, divine collective. But if you choose to go backwards, divine collective, or continue allowing people in your energy that you have already set boundaries with, divine collective, there will be long-term consequences, okay? These karmics, they can't hide anymore. This person from your past, they can't hide anymore how they feel. They're not happy with someone that they're with that is pregnant at the moment. But this person can't be honest. Something about them not being honest. Don't forget your assignment. You've been pulled in by the universe, divine collective. Peace, love, and light.